In the heart of the industrial zone, this massive facility stands as a marvel of engineering, dedicated to pure starch perfection. The process begins with precision weighing, ensuring that every ton of raw material is logged for maximum production efficiency. Hydraulic platforms tilt the massive trucks, initiating the flow of thousands of cassava roots into the factory's primary intake system. Gravity and steel meet as the raw harvest is funneled into the processing line, marking the start of its industrial transformation. Heavy-duty chain conveyors provide the steady, rhythmic pulse needed to keep the high-volume production line moving without interruption.
Expert operators monitor the initial flow, ensuring the intake pace matches the factory's sophisticated downstream processing capabilities. High-velocity air jets strip away loose surface dust, preparing the roots for the intensive hydraulic cleaning stages ahead.
Precision destoning machines use gravity to separate heavy rocks from the lighter cassava roots, protecting the delicate machinery downstream.
Authentic separation ensures that only organic material continues, eliminating abrasive elements that could compromise the final flour quality.
Powerful electromagnets scan the moving line, capturing any metallic fragments to guarantee the absolute safety of the food-grade product.
Vibrating sieves act as a mechanical filter, removing small roots and organic debris before the material enters the wash zone.
The first hydraulic wash submerges the roots in a turbulent vortex, breaking down hardened soil with intense water kinetic energy.
A barrage of high-pressure nozzles delivers a targeted cleaning, ensuring that even the most stubborn impurities are stripped away.
Industrial-grade rotating brushes provide a deep scrub, polishing the surface of the cassava to achieve a professional standard of cleanliness. Continuous rotation on the roller beds ensures 360-degree exposure to the cleaning jets, leaving no surface untouched by the water.
The factory's sustainable water system filters out sludge, recycling the fluid to maintain an eco-friendly and efficient cleaning cycle. A final antimicrobial misting provides a sterile transition, preparing the clean roots for the critical outer skin removal stage.
Automated peeling technology utilizes abrasive friction to strip away the outer cortex with minimal loss of the valuable starch-rich core.
The transformation is visual and absolute, as the brown exterior gives way to the pristine, white flesh of the high-quality cassava.
Constant irrigation flushes the peel waste into specialized channels, maintaining a clean and efficient separation within the peeling chamber. Mechanical screening ensures that no fragments of skin remain, upholding the strict color standards required for premium industrial flour. Slicing machines reduce the bulk roots into uniform segments, optimizing the surface area for the subsequent high-speed milling process.
Precision-engineered blades deliver clean cuts, ensuring structural consistency as the cassava moves deeper into the production line.
Advanced optical sensors perform a high-speed scan, detecting any discoloration or internal defects that the human eye might miss.
In milliseconds, faulty material is rejected by targeted air pulses, ensuring only the most perfect pieces proceed to extraction.
Real-time data visualization allows engineers to track the purity levels of the raw input with microscopic accuracy.
The vetted material is now ready for the core of the operation, where the plant's cell walls will be shattered.
The rasping unit operates at immense speeds, rupturing the cassava cells to liberate the trapped starch granules inside.
Extreme mechanical energy is harnessed to pulverize the roots into a fine slurry, the foundational liquid of the starch process. Controlled hydration creates the perfect suspension, allowing the liberated starch to flow as a rich, white industrial milk. The resulting slurry is a concentrated essence of the harvest, ready to be refined through the factory's sophisticated filtration stages. High-performance pumps drive the liquid through a complex network of pipes, maintaining a steady pressure for the next separation phase. The first stage of filtration utilizes centrifugal force to pull away heavy fibers, beginning the intense refinement of the liquid. Byproducts are mechanically separated, ensuring that only the finest liquid starch continues through the factory's advanced purification circuit.
With each passing stage, the liquid gains purity, moving closer to the crystalline whiteness demanded by global food industries.
System stability is monitored at every micro level, guaranteeing a consistent output of high-grade starch milk for final drying.
Massive volumes of high-value liquid move through the facility, a testament to the scale of modern industrial food production.
Automated routing ensures a seamless transition between extraction and refinement, preventing any stagnation in the high-speed production line. Thermal control is critical. Maintaining a cool environment preserves the starch's chemical integrity and natural flavor profile. Manual verification complements automated systems, as experts perform spot checks to ensure the slurry meets the gold standard.
The decanter centrifuge provides the final mechanical separation, pulling the last remaining microscopic fibers from the pure starch liquid.
Centrifugal forces thousands of times stronger than gravity isolate the starch molecules, achieving a level of purity unattainable by traditional methods.
The output is a brilliant, opaque stream of pure energy, the heart of what will soon become premium flour.
Every impurity is systematically removed, leaving behind a liquid that is nearly 100% pure starch suspension.
High-capacity pump stations propel the refined liquid into the vertical separation towers for the final concentration stage. Inside the towers, the liquid is atomized, maximizing the efficiency of the molecular separation process under vacuum conditions.
Numerical data confirms the excellence of the process, as the system achieves near-perfect levels of industrial starch concentration.
Constant agitation in the holding tanks prevents sedimentation, keeping the high-density starch perfectly suspended before the drying phase.
Smart sensors prevent overflow and optimize tank utilization, ensuring the factory operates at its maximum peak of efficiency.
The liquid stage concludes, and the starch prepares for its final metamorphosis into the world-class flour used by millions. The concentrated slurry enters the disc stack centrifuge, where extreme gravitational forces perform the final.
High-speed rotation creates a powerful centrifugal field, separating pure starch granules from remaining proteins and soluble impurities with surgical precision.
Soluble proteins and unwanted organic matter are continuously discharged, leaving only the heaviest and purest starch particles in the primary stream. The result is a flawless liquid starch, a brilliant white suspension that meets the highest global standards for food-grade purity.
Digital monitoring of starch density ensures the liquid phase is perfectly balanced before it transitions into the critical drying stage.
Automated pressure valves regulate the flow, preventing any fluctuations that could disrupt the delicate equilibrium of the high-speed production line. The refined slurry is applied to the rotating vacuum drum, where atmospheric pressure forces the liquid through a specialized filter cloth.
As the drum rotates, a powerful vacuum draws moisture out, forming a thick, uniform layer of starch cake on the exterior surface.
A final rinse of sterile water removes any lingering soluble traces, ensuring the starch cake is as chemical.
The precision scraper blade gently removes the dewatered starch, which falls away in soft, white flakes ready for thermal processing. The moist starch cake is mechanically broken down, increasing its surface area to maximize the efficiency of the upcoming flash drying cycle.
In a fraction of a second, the moist starch is injected into a high-velocity stream of sterile, superheated air for instantaneous dehydration.
Thermal energy meets kinetic speed, evaporating residual moisture instantly while preserving the starch's molecular structure and natural whiteness.
Centrifugal separation inside the massive cyclones captures the dried particles, spiraling them downward while the humid air is exhausted safely above. Advanced baghouse filtration ensures zero waste, capturing even the microscopic dust to maintain a 100% yield of premium flour. Real-time moisture analysis confirms the product has reached its optimal stable state, ready for long-term storage and global shipping. The freshly dried flour is rapidly cooled, stabilizing its temperature to prevent clumping and ensure a free-flowing, silky texture.
To achieve a professional culinary grade, the starch undergoes a final pulverization, breaking down any remaining clusters into a uniform powder.
The mechanical impact ensures a consistent particle size, creating the smooth mouthfeel that premium cassava flour is famous for. Multi-layered vibrating sieves act as the final quality gate, allowing only the finest particles to pass through to the packaging zone.
Any oversized granules are automatically recycled back into the mill, ensuring that every gram of the final product is perfectly uniform.
High-definition color sensors monitor the final output, guaranteeing a brilliant white appearance that signifies superior industrial quality. Large-scale pneumatic systems transport the finished flour into massive storage silos, keeping it in a controlled, moisture-free environment.
Gentle internal agitation keeps the flour aerated and free-flowing, maintaining its ideal physical properties for the high-speed packing lines.
In the facility's state-of-the-art laboratory, Experts perform rigorous microbiological testing to guarantee the product is completely safe for consumption.
Spectrophotometric analysis verifies the chemical composition, ensuring the cassava flour meets the exact specifications of international food manufacturers.
With quality confirmed, the batch is electronically released, moving forward to the final stage of its industrial journey.
The packaging line springs to life, preparing high-strength, multi-layered bags to house the precious white powder for global distribution. Precision filling nozzles engage the bags with an airtight seal, preventing any dust emission while maintaining a sterile environment.
Digital dosing systems ensure every bag contains the exact weight, minimizing product loss while maximizing accuracy for commercial transparency.
Ultrasonic vibration settles the flour within the bag, ensuring a compact and stable shape for secure stacking and transport. Industrial sewing heads seal the bags with high-tensile thread, creating a robust barrier against moisture and external contaminants.
Automated labeling provides full traceability, allowing every single bag to be tracked from the factory floor to the consumer's kitchen.
Safety is paramount. Every bag passes through advanced metal detectors to eliminate any possibility of physical contamination. Advanced X-ray inspection technology scans the interior of every package, providing an extra layer of security for the global food supply chain. Instant rejection systems remove compromised bags from the line, ensuring that only 100% perfect products reach the shipping pallet.
A final weight check confirms the integrity of the dosing system, guaranteeing that the customer receives exactly what is promised on the label.
A secondary production line branches off to handle retail packaging, catering to the precision needs of domestic and international supermarkets. High-grade polymer film rolls are fed into vertical form-fill seal machines, creating airtight pouches designed to preserve freshness and shelf life.
Laser coating technology etches vital batch data onto the film, ensuring permanent legibility and foolproof traceability for every consumer unit.
Volumetric dosing units deliver the perfect amount of fine flour, maintaining a rapid and consistent pace of hundreds of units per minute. Dual-action heat sealers create a hermetic bond, locking out humidity and ensuring the cassava flour remains bone-dry and free-flowing. Precision cutting blades separate the pouches with surgical accuracy, maintaining the aesthetic integrity of the retail-ready packaging. The finished pouches begin their final descent, moving toward the rigorous quality control gates of the retail packaging sector. Pressure-sensitive conveyor belts detect microscopic air leaks, ensuring that every bag remains vacuum-tight during long-distance transit.
Optical sensors verify the brand alignment, ensuring that the visual presentation matches the high-quality standard of the product inside. High-speed robotic arms organize the individual pouches into standardized bundles, preparing them for bulk secondary packaging. High-speed robotic arms organize the individual pouches into standardized bundles, preparing them for bulk secondary packaging.
Controlled heat application tightens the protective film, creating a rigid and secure bundle that is easy to stack and transport.
Automated case erectors transform flat cardboard into sturdy shipping boxes, initiating the final phase of industrial containment. Precision robotic grippers place the flour bundles into cases with gentle accuracy, preventing any impact damage to the retail pouches.
High-speed taping heads seal the top and bottom of the cases simultaneously, securing the valuable contents for global logistics.
High-resolution inkjet printers apply logistics data directly to the carton, enabling seamless scanning at every point in the supply chain. An automated weight check confirms that the case contains the correct number of units, maintaining 100% inventory accuracy. Cases converge at the robotic palletizing station, where heavy-duty industrial arms perform the tireless task of high-density stacking.
Vacuum-powered end-of-arm tools allow the robot to handle multiple cases at once, drastically increasing the facility's throughput.
Strategic interlocking patterns are utilized by the robot to create a stable, self-supporting structure on the shipping pallet.
Automated pallet dispensers provide a constant supply of shipping bases, keeping the Royal Cell operating at peak performance.
Once the pre-programmed height is reached, the completed pallet is automatically discharged, signaling the end of the production cycle. The entire pallet is enveloped in layers of high-tensile stretch film, creating a moisture-proof and impact-resistant unit for long-haul shipping.
Precision tension control ensures the film secures the cargo tightly, preventing any shifting during maritime or overland transport. A global logistics label is applied, containing the unique SSCC code that links the pallet to its digital production record.
Skilled forklift operators take command, maneuvering the finished pallets with precision toward the facility's massive storage zones. Pallets are deposited into high-density racking systems, maximizing vertical space in the factory's climate-controlled warehouse. The warehouse management system logs the exact coordinates of the goods, ensuring flawless inventory tracking and rapid order fulfillment.
Row after row of premium cassava flour stands ready, representing the culmination of American
The global journey begins as heavy-duty transport vehicles arrive to carry the final product to markets across the world.
From the vast American fields to the local store shelf, the cycle is complete, delivering purity and quality in every single grain.
The world's finest cassava flour, a masterpiece of modern manufacturing, ready to fuel the global food industry.
From the industrial titan to the consumer's hand, the journey of quality reaches its final destination in the modern marketplace.
The pure essence of the harvest is unleashed in the kitchen, offering a versatile base for culinary creativity and healthy living. Its unique molecular structure provides a superior elasticity, making it the preferred choice for master bakers and health-conscious families alike.
Whether fried to a golden crisp or baked to airy perfection, the industrial precision of the process guarantees a flawless result every time.
The journey from the giant American factory to the family table is complete, bringing nature's best to your home. The ultimate transformation. A golden glaze of pure honey meets the crisp perfection of high-grade cassava,